What is it, bud? Is it the other dragons?
How far do you think he's gonna get before he realizes?
Hard to say. He seemed pretty committed. That's okay, bud. I like the enthusiasm.
It's not loud, you're yelling very loudly.
I said I'm going back out there! Oh, I said we'll all go together! Okay, you might not like what I'm about to do, but trust me, it's gonna work out for both of us. I said I'm trying to help the both of us. Don't you listen? Of course you don't listen. You're a thunder drum, and thunder drums are hard of hearing. I'm being chased by an angry death song, and I'm stuck here with a wild thunder drum who can't hear a word I'm saying. Just trust me, Snotlout.
Says the man who's about to set me on fire.
Well, you said it only stings a little.
Hey, how do you know it's called a dragon eye?
Because I named it.
Oh, good to see you too, Dad.
Now, if I could just, breathe. Cracked Ribs and I are happy to see you too. Stable boy? Fine, Scalding, it is. Toothless, Plasma, blah.
Do that if I were...
Toothless?
Hey, your dragon just shot at us.
Yes, I know, I told him to. His leg needs to be filed down, it's pinching. Oh, I got another shift with your names on it. Really? You're eating the evidence? Last leg. Don't laugh, Toothless. You're above that. Oh, wait, don't!
'Cause you had a bad day. Hey.
Hey. Oh, ow! Fine, but remember, you wanted this. But that wood deck isn't. By the way, your timing, impeccable. What the? Astrid was right. You look like a psycho. Sorry, I must have left it in my other pants. Do you know what trade sanctions are, Johan?
2 words that should never be used in the same sentence.
Johan, why do we do this?
Sorry?
You know you're gonna tell me. Hi. Num num num. I'll stand. Whoa!
Parkour!
Oh, Toothless!
Bombastic side eye.
Whoa, what the Thor?
But
how did you get out?
come on, can't take you anywhere.
Hiccup! I'm not here to hurt you. I'm here to help.
Yes! Toothless, you are a genius! Yes, Shadow Wings. All in favor? Good, it's unanimous.
Watch out!
Our thread across the sea. Yeah.